You are watching one of the videos in our series of instructional videos on how to assemble a building kit. Click the link in the description below to purchase your own building in a box.
First, we start with the rat guard. This is trim for the wall metal to sit on. Start with the piece that is notched on top. This allows the other piece to overlap. The top edge of the rat guard should be flush with the top of the base plate. Overlap your second piece roughly 4 inches. Continue to the end of the wall where you will finish with another notched piece. Depending on what style of door you've installed, your rat guard will need to be cut accordingly. The small rib always overlaps the big rib. You'll want to start your wall metal so that the overlaps cannot be seen from the front of the building. Set the metal flat down on the rat guard and make sure it is level with the wall stud. Start your screws at the bottom to make sure it stays tight down to the rat guard. Then work your way up to the top, making sure not to over-tighten your screws. If you do, it will oil can the metal. Your next sheet will overlap the previous sheet. Again, make sure to keep the bottom tight with the rat guard at the same time, making sure that the overlap looks good.